Sound is invisible, but it can be physical. It can touch something. It can make an impression.
You ever think about how you want your life to look?
Not really.
I have a hobby in the summers, collecting songs. Just come. You got a whole life ahead of you, a bigger life. You have no idea what I know, what I've seen, about how things work.
She says that I can't be your bride.
Would you forgive me for looking back?